What in the world is this? I just said I'm floating. It's not how people are staring at it. Look! Look, the people are staring! Lots of people are staring down. Okay. Yeah, this is weird. This is totally weird. Look at me. No, I would just literally fall. I would literally fall. Dude, what am I doing? I don't really know. I'm gonna place a letter inside. I'm gonna place that right there or something. I don't want to do this again. Dude, doing this hack is very weird. To make it impossible to jump on. How